Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Great to have you here. Quick unboxing. It's another Pagani design. I did pick this up in the mid-season, mid-year sale. Now this is the PD-1734. Now I picked this up for around £40, I think it was. So what's that, $45? Very nice looking watch. Let's get it out of that box. He says. Well packaged. There we go. Standard Pagani design box. Always nicely presented. You flip it open. The standard Pagani cloth, really useful. And here we go. Here's the watch itself. Now I went for the black dialed version. Now they do, I think I've got a bit of sticker on the top. It has. Just says sapphire. Now as I say, this is the black dialed version. They do a blue dial as well, and also a white dial, but I went with this. So it's the 1734 40mm dial off my top of my head, 20mm strap, about 12.5mm thick, something like that. Ooh, really polished just on the back there. On the back, on the sides. Yeah, really like that. Those indices really do stand out against that black dial. Now, is it a screw down crown? Yes, it is. It's a screw down crown as well. Nice. 100 meters of water resistance. Now, it's well and truly packaged. Lots of stickers, as they normally are on Paganis. Nice milled clasp as well. 3 holes of micro adjust. What we're on the middle one, so we'll see how that fits on my my 8-inch wrist. Let's try and get some of these plastic wrapping off. Have a look. Yeah, well, I'd say it's honestly well packaged. Use the dog in the background, barking at the workman. Right, and oh yeah, there we go, even more. Gosh, I probably really should snip this off. It probably more chance of damaging the watch, I think, me pulling this off than anything else. But there we go. Move all that out of the way. Okay. There we go, Pagani design, little flip onto the back. There's a sticker on the back there. I don't know if you can see its number at the bottom. PD, oh, I'm knocking the camera. PD-1734. Slip that off there. The one thing I noticed already is that the bracelet's nice, but the clasp itself looks a little cheap actually. Right, let's pull that off. Okay, well, let's get it to focus. There we go. Let's have a look at this then. Right, now I'm wearing a Citizen today, Shark Eco Drive. I haven't done the review for this yet, and it's the watch I'm wearing the most at the minute, I think. So that review will be coming up soon. Let's flick that onto there. Must admit, the crystal on this does sit really nicely proud of the body of the watch. Okay, right, so 8-inch wrist. Oh, I picked up a bit of a sticker. Let's have a look. So, oh well, that feels loose. Oh, actually, might not be too bad. Might not be too bad. That's on the middle of the micro adjust. And there we go. That was really nice looking, smart sort of business watch. I really like it. I'll put a link in the description as ever. Keep your eye out for the price on this. As I say, I picked it up for about £40. Oh, well, yeah, I'm really pleased with that, actually. That's really nice. Sits really nice. And it looks $1 million. It's a really nice work. I'll get some better shots with the when I come to do the review. Thanks to everyone that's subscribed, liked, and commented. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.